So another one of the attractions here in South Marine Park is the little steam train that runs all the way around. It's been here absolute years, and they have a different engine on different weekends. This one's Santa Fe 3440. It's a single gauge steam locomotive, and I believe, it's £2 per person, and if your children are under the age of under 3, so if they're 3 or under, yeah. So there we go. So that's the steam train, and it's just on its way out now. There we go. There it goes. So that's another one of the attractions of South Marine Park. And there it goes. That's the Lakeshore Railroad train that takes you all the way around the outside of South Marine Park and back to its destination where it's set off. £2 per person. Bargain.